Well, my daddy left home when I was 3, and it didn't leave much to mourn me. Just his old guitar and an empty bottle of booze. Now, I don't blame him 'cause he running his, but the meanest thing that he ever did was before he left, he went and named me Sue. My stepfather was quite a joke, and it got a lot of laugh from a lot of folks. Seems I had to fight my whole life through. Well, some gal would giggle and I get red, and some guy would laugh, and a pastor said, well, I tell you, life ain't easy for a boy named Sue. Well, I grew up quick and I grew up mean. My fist got hard and my wits got keen. Roamed from town to town to hide my shame. But I made me a vow to the moon and stars. I searched the honky-tonks and bars and killed a man. Give me that